on.
No, it's not hold
on.
on.
Wait, I'm telling her something.
You're resisting.
Her something.
You're resisting now.
No, I'm
now
not.
You're resisting.
I'm trying to tell her something about my stuff. So when you stop, I'm gonna find you. I'm gonna find when I get the f out of jail. I'm gonna find who the f
You're
you
resisting.
are.
Stop resisting.
Stop.
The gray Chevrolet had window tints so dark that the officer could not see inside the vehicle from the outside. He could not see how many occupants were in the car. He could not see hands. He could not see movement. The tint was well beyond the legal limit, so dark that the AS1 line etched into the glass, which is required to be visible from the exterior, could not be located even with a flashlight. He initiated a traffic stop. He approached the window and asked the driver to lower all of them. The windows came down. Inside, a woman and a passenger. He asked for license and registration.
Thank you. You got the license. Thank you. Is this car registered to you? This car's not registered at all. You have a driver's license? How is that a driver's license?
Yeah, or did you change this to a
Is this car registered to you? Give me your registration.
Yeah, 69 April 6th, right?
What's up with the attitude? The attitude is crazy. Scared of what? Scared of what? Tell me what you're scared of. Why? Because what? What I do? You scared because I pulled you over. Your tag is not registered. The vehicle's not registered. Your tinted dark, so I don't know who's in the car. I attempt to pull you over there, and you're just driving. So, of course you did.
I'm serious.
All right. Just turn off your car. Turn off your car. Relax. Relax. It's not that deep.
I think you have an attitude. I pulled over. I didn't try to run from you or anything. If you put my lights over there, I didn't see you.
Okay.
I apologize.
Okay. So, you gonna pass me your registration? Ma'am, can you lower your window for me, please?
This is what I have.
Cool. All right. So, if you have any issues about what just happened or a little transaction, you talk to my sergeant over there, okay? If you're in your feels. Give me a second.
The registration did not come back to the vehicle. The tag on the car belonged to a different vehicle, and the driver's license was not suspended. It was canceled. Since January 2022. For over a year and a half, she had been driving on a license that the state had voided. The driver told the officer she was scared. He asked what she was scared of. She said, "You." And that one word you set the tone for a traffic stop that would escalate from dark tints to handcuffs in 15 minutes of bodycam footage. The exchange between the driver and the officer deteriorated rapidly. He perceived attitude. She perceived rudeness. He asked what was with the attitude. She said she did not have attitude, she was scared. The distinction between attitude and fear on a traffic stop at night in Orlando is the distance between a citation and a confrontation. She told the officer she had not seen his lights when he initially attempted to stop her. She said she pulled over as soon as she saw him. He responded with a sentence that would be replayed in the comments section of every platform this bodycam appeared on. "Don't talk to me like I'm your man. I'm not your man." She began recording on her phone.
I'm not talking to you like that.
So lower your voice.
I didn't even yell at you now. I'm yelling because I'm mad. Because you're rude. You're very rude.
Lower your voice.
Now I'm yelling because I'm mad. Because you're rude. You're very rude. Let's record you.
It's all recorded.
Yeah, I'm going to record you because you're rude. Like, you're so
Do your
rude.
thing. Do your
I'm
thing.
just trying to ask you a question. You have animosity?
Yeah, go down one.
I feel like you have animosity.
Nothing like that.
Was it cross the line? Don't talk to me like I'm your man.
25692.
How am I supposed to calm down? Anything I say is a problem. Police pull me over. I wasn't even doing nothing. Right by my fun spot. There's 3 cops.
Can't even see the AS line here where it's supposed to be at.
None of y'all have a 10 meter.
You can't 10 meter that.
Not
But-
this, but these.
"I'm going to record you because you're rude. He was already recording on his body cam. Both devices captured the same exchange from different angles, hers for accountability, his for evidence.
First off, I'm just gonna let you know now, you're gonna continuously get pulled over because of your tint. This tint should never be, just like how our patrol car is, it should never go past this line right here. You see that black, the AS1 line? Yep, your tint should never be past that line.
And we're supposed to be able to see it from the outside.
Yeah.
I can't even see the AS where the line is right here. There's the letters that say AS line. I can't even see
If you go on
that.
the highway, you're definitely gonna get pulled over by FHP nonstop. And the kind of car you're driving, I'm gonna tell you now,
She asked to speak to his sergeant. The sergeant walked over. She told the sergeant the officer was mean. She told the sergeant what he had said. The sergeant listened. Then, the sergeant explained the facts that the attitude and the fear and the rudeness had obscured.
He was like, don't talk to me like I'm your man.
I was here for that part.
Like, I don't know how I'm talking to you like that. I'm talking to you like a regular person, a police officer. I talk to my man crazy. That's not crazy. That's very nice.
Well, I would definitely address it when we're done here.
Hey, ma'am, what's going on with your license? Okay. How long ago? It's been quite a while.
That's why I got scared.
I've already just hung up with her. She said she can't have somebody come out now, but she'll have somebody come out later. I told her she can call back and we can have somebody respond with her to clear the house.
I mean, they're scared for a reason.
Her license had been canceled since January 2022. Her car was not registered. The tag on the vehicle did not belong to it. Her tints were so dark that officers could not see the legally required AS1 line from the exterior. She would be pulled over continuously on the highway, in the city, every time an officer saw the car until she addressed every one of these issues. The officer informed her that she could not be driving. Cancelled license. Unregistered vehicle.
Your license is not only suspended, it's been canceled. Okay, since last year of 2022, January. On top of that, you're driving recklessly in a unregistered motor vehicle.
Can you tell me how I was driving?
Ma'am, I don't have to explain anything to you.
I didn't want to say it.
Ma'am, at this point, I don't have to explain nothing to you. You have to listen to me. All right?
She was under arrest. And in the space between the word arrest and the handcuffs, the encounter crossed a line that the body cam recorded with perfect clarity. She pulled away, not violently, not aggressively, but enough to constitute resistance.
I'm done talking. Hands on the steering wheel. Hands on the steering wheel.
Okay, I'm putting my phone over here.
Let's go.
You see how he's talking? You see how he's talking to me? Like, what did I do? Did I say anything wrong? He said, I'm done. What did I do to him?
Just plugging out. Thank you.
Sergeant, you see that? Okay. Got anger problem.
Thank you. Yeah, I'll fix that in a minute. Here, let me see real quick. I want to make sure you don't tighten up. Ultimately, ma'am, you know you can't be driving, so you should be behind the wheel of your vehicle. Okay, so that's problem one. Problem two is you got stopped because
I understand that. It's how
dark
he is. He's very rude.
It is what it is.
Feelings, your
Okay.
feelings. Got it. Come on, let's go to the car.
See, hold on.
She said she was trying to tell her friend something about her belongings. The officer said, "Don't resist. Shut up and get in the car."
No, it's not.
I'm telling her something.
You're resisting
I'm
now.
telling her something.
You're resisting now.
No, I'm
Now you're
not. I'm
resisting.
trying to tell her something about my stuff. So when he stuff, he has my car.
Don't resist. Shut up and get in the car.
Bro, you're.
We'll handle that in a
my
minute.
Don't resist.
Then, she said it. The words that added weight to every charge and that the prosecution would reference if this case went to trial. "I'ma find you. I'm gonna find you when I get out." She threatened an officer on a body cam during an arrest for driving without a license.
Shut up and get in the car.
Bro, you're. I'm gonna find you. I'm gonna find when I get the f out of you. I'm gonna find who the f
You're
you are.
resisting. Stop
I'm gonna find who the
resisting.
fuck you
Stop
are.
resisting.
I'm not resisting. I'm standing standing here.
Okay, just stop.
I'm gonna sign
Let me pat you down and make sure you don't have anything on you, and then we'll talk about it.
The device on his chest recorded every syllable. The words were said in the heat of handcuffs and humiliation, the kind of threat that people make when they are angry and powerless, and do not understand that the camera does not distinguish between words you mean and words you wish you could take back.
Hold on, please. Widen your stance for me.
Can someone else take me instead of him?
Unfortunately not. He's the one that's arresting you.
It's okay, the camera be on.
Alright, do you want your friend to drive your car?
No one's driving a car.
I need to tell her about my house, about my keys,
Okay, tell me what
about
you
my phone. She don't know my passcode.
Okay, tell me what you want to tell her. Oh, or I can have a walk over here and
Have her walk over here. I was just trying to tell her before he snatched me out of there.
Okay.
He's rude.
Okay, 1 second.
She asked if a different officer could transport her. The answer was no, the arresting officer handles the transport. The camera will be on, another officer reassured her. During the inventory search of the vehicle before towing, officers discovered something that explained the unregistered tag, temporary tags. A new one every month. The officer held up the stack. Every month, she puts a new one on.
Sierra King,
Sierra.
I have, she took my license the other
Oh,
officer.
okay.
Give me 1 second.
So we're gonna. Do you have somebody you can call to come pick you up?
I'm literally down the street. Layla, what are you doing right now?
Because here's the thing, the car's not gonna be driven because there's nothing that's registered on it. So you need to just start working on.
What's your
Down the street.
We got her ID, right?
Oh, I think he does. Do you have her ID?
Yeah, I do.
Sierra.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, she wants to tell you something about her house keys and her phone and something else.
Another officer looked at the pattern and said what the evidence suggested. That's probably fraudulent. She had been cycling through temporary registrations to avoid permanently registering a vehicle she was driving on a canceled license. During the transport to the Orange County Jail, the officer who had been called rude became something unexpected. He became helpful. He explained, step by step, what she needed to do to get her car back.
You concerned about? Okay, it's not a big deal. Then all we do is we go through it. We have our cameras on the whole time. We're inventorying to make sure there's not anything of value in that, because when the tow truck gets here, we notify them of anything in there that you don't want her to take with her. Okay?
And can I ask you a question?
What's up?
After all this happens, can I get my car out?
Yeah, you are. So it's not registered. So it's an unregistered vehicle. So you have to go down there. You're going to have to prove ownership of the vehicle when you go down there to the tow yard. So once you get out, you have to prove that the vehicle is yours. Huh? Yeah, because there's that license plate that's on there right now does not come back to that vehicle. It's not registered to that vehicle. Okay, so you can't be operating the vehicle on the roadway. So my suggestion is for you to get it out of the tow yard. If you don't go to the DMV first and register it and get a license plate for it, you're going to have it towed from the tow yard to your house, because the tow company's not going to let you drive an unregistered vehicle off their lot and drive away. Huh? They'll let you get it out, but if you don't have a license plate attached to it, they're not going to let you drive it off the lot. So, because they're going to be liable at that point.
Go to the DMV, handle whatever caused the license cancellation. Register the vehicle, get a proper tag, fix the tints. He told her the tow yard would not let her drive the car off the lot without a valid license and registration. He told her she would need someone with a valid license to come with her. He told her they could set up payment plans.
So you're going to need to either make arrangements to have it towed from there to your house, or go down to the DMV, register it, get a license plate attached to it, so that way when you go down there you can show them it's registered, put the tag on it, and from there you can go. Also though, you need to also have a valid driver's license when you go down there to pick it up. So if not, you need to have somebody there with you that has a valid license to let them.
He told her that avoiding the problem is what causes the problem. You got a couple ducks you need to get in a row, he said.
Get it out of there as well, because just because it's your car, they'll release it to you, but they won't let you drive it away. They'll call us and be like, hey, this person's trying to drive away with their car and she doesn't have a valid driver's license. They won't let you drive, they won't do that. So you got a couple ducks that you need to get in a row first.
It was practical advice delivered in a calm voice by the same officer who had said shut up and get in the car 10 minutes earlier. Both versions of that officer exist on the same body cam. Both are real. And the gap between them is the gap between a traffic stop that has escalated and a transport where the adrenaline has faded.
The longest way to get here, right? We'll figure out where you live. It's okay. I got you. But, like, you drive me like that on purpose, stupid bitch. Literally did that on purpose.
I go down 197.
Secure weapons.
10-4.
Sorry.
54628.
What else?
At the jail, her dress was falling during the walk from the vehicle to the entrance. The officer said, "I'm not touching you. Fix yourself. Camera's rolling."
Alright, so I need my dress pulled down.
I'm not touching you.
So walk like this.
I'm not touching you.
Walk like this.
I'm not touching you because then you're gonna be like, oh, this officer did this. This camera's rolling.
Obviously, show me.
I'm not touching.
So my is
Turn around and
out.
walk. Turn around and walk. I'm not touching you. You understand? I'm not looking at you. I'm not touching you. Fix yourself. That's fine. Camera's rolling.
He would not adjust her clothing because he understood that a male officer touching a female suspect's clothing on camera produces a complaint regardless of intent. She fixed it herself. She walked in. The booking questions were routine. Medical problems? No. Pregnant? No medications? No.
Zima 26 question.
God.
10-7.
Number.
She was processed into the Orange County Jail on charges of resisting an officer without violence and driving a motor vehicle without a license. The gray Chevrolet with the dark tints sat in a tow yard waiting for an owner who would need a valid license, a proper registration, a legitimate tag, and legal window tint before she could drive it again. 4 problems that existed before the traffic stop, and that the traffic stop did not create, it only exposed. She said she was scared. He said, "Don't talk to me like I'm your man." She said he was rude. He said she was resisting. She said she would find him. The body cam recorded everything, and a traffic stop that began with window tints too dark to see through ended with a booking photo under fluorescent lights where everything is visible.